This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good evening, all. Is that my voice is audible to everyone? Can anyone confirm me? Yeah, thank you for the response. So, can anyone let me know that what was the last topic we had been discussed on? Do anyone remember with the last topic? Hope my voice is audible. So, can anyone guess with what was the last topic? Okay, so in the last session, we have been discussed about how we can be able to make use of LinkedIn platform for the personal profile preparation and also with the business account preparation. And also we have been seeing how we can be able to create the ads on the LinkedIn platform. So, in case if you have been practiced with Facebook ads, it will be easy for you people to understand with the LinkedIn ads also. So, where you will be having an extra feature comparatively, it is when you are going to do the ads for the purpose of providing the jobs. So, when you are going to give it as a job seekers advertisement, so there are a few bit of options, there may be changes, otherwise it is almost the options it is going to be the same, right? So today we are going to discuss about few of the features which is going to help you out to get connected with the Facebook and the Instagram. So we are going to start with the Instagram marketing, so where it is going to help you out. As we know that the Instagram, it has been merged with the Facebook, it's been taken over by Facebook. So it is easy for us to make it the integration of both of these apps, and we can be able to do the activities on both at the same time. All right, so let us see how we can be able to do the same. So hope my screen is visible. Yeah. So I've been logged in with my facebook.com account. So from here I have to move to the Meta Business Suite. So when you are going to create an business profile on the Facebook account, so there will be a lot of things you might have been not given at the time of creation of your page. So the profile, if it is not completed, then as we know that in the LinkedIn marketing also we have been discussed that the incomplete profile will not be optimized. The visibility of that page will not be more. Okay, so for that reason, what we can be able to do it is, so we should go for all tools. So in the Meta Business Suite on the left hand side, there is an all tools tab. You can click on this, and here you can be able to check with page settings. So click on this page settings. So here you will be able to get the settings options relevant to your business page. So you will be able to see the list of all the pages which has been added in the same profile. So there's the professional dashboard where you can be able to check with what is happening on your business page, right? So just give me a second. Yes, these are all the ads what you have been created with and what is the performance of each ad, what it has been created. And if you want to create the ads from this screen, you can be able to start to create with it. So it is taking some time to get updated with a few of the options. Kindly give me a minute of time. So it is taking some time. Yeah, so the settings is not getting opened on the Meta Business Suite because of some service issues. So it is not appearing right now. We will see after a few minutes. So let us see with few of the features which is mandatorily you have to take care when you are accessing with your Facebook account or with your Instagram account. So there is an option over here when you go to the settings as an option of giving page access. So let us go for the page access. So here you will be allowed to give a permissions to the other user. So for example, whenever any audiences visitors is going to visit your page, and if you want the response to be given at initially, so that either any one of you people have to be available. So we have been seen that we can also use with the chat fuel for creating an autobot. So, but still, in case if it is not only with the messenger, it is you are going to have a post where some comments has been given and you are supposed to react for that comment as soon as possible. Otherwise, it may take you into a wrong path. So for that reason, there should be an active person who is going to keep an eye on your business page and its activities. So in case of your absence, so do you want to believe on someone and you want to give the access to the other person? So in that case, you can go for this page access, and you can be able to see that the person who is an admin is it is you only, where you will be allowed to do the editing of the page content. So you can delete the page also. You have a permission to send the messages, create the community activities, ads, and you can watch the insights. So as an admin you will have all the accessibility. But if you want to give it any access to other person, that means if I want to log into this business account, it is mandatory I should log in with my email ID and its password. But if I want to give an access to the other person, it doesn't mean that I have to give my email ID and password, where most of us will not be agreed to give with it because it is a confidential content. So we are not going to share it, but we can give the access to the other person by adding their email ID or the username into my account and give the permission to them to do the activities. So that is giving the page access to the other person with their login ID and password, not with our username and password. with their username and password, they can be able to get logged into my page and do the necessary activities. So let us see what are the options we have it. So if I click on add new, so it is going to ask to whom do you want to give this access. So you can be able to search with that person's name or the email address. So you can be able to see that you will have a list of options where you can be able to choose with it. Okay. So for example, I'll just take some person. Okay. Now it is going to ask you that what are the accessibility you want to give it to them. Okay. So you can see that the person can be able to create this content or manage it, or they can delete it. They can be able to respond to the messages on the messenger, then community activity. So any comment share or remove unwanted comments from the post what you have been received. Then do you want that person to give with a permission of creating the ads and managing it or deleting the ads on the page, and they can be able to view the activities, the insights or analytics of that page. So you can be able to give it the accessibility of all these things only by clicking on this option. Allow this person to have a full control, and you can click on give access. Okay, so once you are going to give that give access option, then you are supposed to enter with your Facebook profile password and click on confirm, so that the person will be able to receive a notification from our side into their Facebook Messenger and also to their personal mail ID box. So it is going to give an information that the person has asked you to accept the accessibility permission, that you are going to take care of that page with all the activities, with all the permissions. Okay, once that person is going to get accepted, you can be able to see that person's details, that is the name and their accessibility, what are the permissions are given, it is going to get listed over here, and you can be able to get an access of both as an admin as well as the manager of that page. So this is how you can be able to give an accessibility to other person with their login, with their username and password. They can log into your page and do the activities. So this is very important. So to keep yourself active all the time, so this it is going to be helpful to you. Okay. Yes. So here there is one more option, people with task access. So I'll just go with this option. So what here it is going to say, it is going to ask you that do you want to identify any person to be acting like a moderator. So the moderator is nothing but, just give me a minute. Yes, thank you for being online. Yes, we were talking about the moderator. So the moderators are the people who are going to keep an eye. They will be called as an watchdogs. So every comment or what are the activities we are going to do it on the uh, platform. So we are being eyed up with anything the controversial content. If it is found, that it is going to be get suspended over there. So they are the decision makers where I can suspend the account and take the necessary action on the immediate. Okay, so like that, a kind of you can be able to part of it. So if you want, you can be able to create it as a moderator also, right? So now, so let me check it out. It is happening. Okay, it is not getting updated, so it will take some time. Let's not waste the time over here. Okay, so in the all tools, we have an option where we can be able to get connected with many other tools which are available for using it for the different requirements of each of the categories. They may require with different kind of plugins, we can say it, so which you can be able to use it. So for example, if you are going to use it for the appointment, booking the appointment on your Facebook page, so you can be able to use this. These are all third party applications. So where you can be able to use it, and some are on chargeable basis where they will give it at 14 days of trial period, and it is going to get charged later. So there are certain things which are going to be at completely free of cost where you can use that feature. So this is for appointments purposes. If your business is something related to the keeping the appointments of the clients, and then you are going to give the services. So for that reason, you can make use of it. Then we have it related to the chatbot, similar type of app also you can be able to use over here. Then e-commerce, so that is whenever you are going to sell the products, so this app, it could be helpful to you, but it is going to be very specific type of businesses. It is going to be there. So make sure that you are going to make connection between your Facebook and your website and with this app, so that you will get the more and more crowd towards your page. And you can be able to see that the Facebook can be able to get integrated with the Canva also for creating the contents. And these are all the optimization, or we can say it as a analytical tools. You can be able to get connected. So most of this, it has been connected through the Zapier CRM tool. So you can be able to have an account in the Zapier, as well as you can be able to connect it with your Facebook and with this analytical tool also. So which will be helpful to know that how your page is performing, how your ads are performing, and collection of the leads. So all these things, it is going to be helpful, and you can be able to do the automation things. So automation in the sense, like, you can be able to schedule the certain things to happen on the regular basis. So you can pre-program it and you can be able to execute it by using these tools. Fine. So these are all the third-party applications. You can be able to click on see all. You may have a few more options, but try at least one or two options when you are going to run with your chat fuel. So it is going to get integrated with that also. Yes. Then let us see with all tools, is there any other option which is mandatorily you are supposed to take care with? So here you have an option of monetization. So till now we were thinking that only with the YouTube we can be able to earn the money. So we can also be able to earn the money using the Facebook. So but there is a certain kind of eligibility criteria which we have to uh, complete it with that. So here in stream ads. So you are supposed to have it through the ads of 5,000 followers, and you should be able to have at least 5 active videos on your page, then 60,000 total eligible minutes viewed in the last 60 days. So this is a kind of eligibility criteria to start the earnings. Okay, so we can make sure that we can be able to earn the money through the Facebook also, and it is also applicable for the Instagram also. The next thing is, when you people are going to create the advertisement on the Facebook, or it could be on the Instagram, or it could be on the uh, other social media, there will be a way of tracking your ad, where it is going to collect the databases. So there you will be able to see the tracking URL options. You might have been observed when you are creating with Google Ads. There also it is available. And here, even in the Facebook ads also, you will be able to see it at before ending up with your ads. So there will be an Facebook's analytical tool which is called as Facebook Pixel account. So that Facebook Pixel, it is an analytical tool which is going to track with your activities on your page, ads, post, boost post, and also you can be able to communicate with your web page also. So it can be able to have a track of all this. So to create a Facebook Pixel account, so you should be able to go for all tools, and you are supposed to click on events manager. So here you can be able to see with the pixel account number. So this pixel account number, it is going to be helpful to you to monitor what all the activities is done by your audiences on all the platforms, that is on the Facebook personal account, that is a personal profile, business profile, as well as with the boost post and the ads what you are going to create it. With all this you can be also be able to connect it with your website, and in case if it is a app also available. So you can see here, you can now build events for website and app also. So what you are supposed to do it over here is, so when I go to the get started, give the source link over here, okay, and you can be able to click on create, and you can be able to see an HTML code it is going to get generated, and that code you are supposed to add it at the back end of your web page, so that it is going to get connected with your website on the Facebook pixel account, so that we can be able to grab the information of those users who are going to show the interest or who have been visiting our page. Okay, so this is going to help you out to have easy targeting. So whom to target the people? When you are creating the ads, it will be an headache for us that whom to target, on what basis we have to target. So once you people are going to observe with all these things, the analytical tools, it is going to help you out to what kind of people are your type of audience. So there may be surprisingly with the different categories they may come up. So from the different part of the globe they can be able to see with our activities, and they may like it, they may show the interest, and also they can be able to buy the product from us. So all those things it is going to be get observed, and it will be helpful to us when we are going to create a new campaign. Yeah, so I'll just try to show you. Yes, so here it is going to generate with the code. Yes, so this code you are supposed to copy it from here and to be pasted on the website backend page. So let us see how this code it is going to be created. Yes, so this is going to be the code which is being generated, which you are supposed to add it behind the web page. So once it is done and click on continue, so then it is going to get identified on the pixel account. Then it is going to be created one code for that page. So then it is going to start to have a separate report for this particular web page analytics. Okay. So once you start with all the process, so you can be able to see the differences, you can see the kind of responses. So based on that you can be able to start to work on that. Until we are going to be on live, it is not going to be helpful to us. So try to create the page and try to create the content on a regular basis, at least twice in a week. So it is mandatory what we can suggest you to keep your social media active. Okay. So let us have a break of 5 minutes and come back, and then we can be able to continue with the further topic. Thank you all for being online. So the next we are going to see with the concept of how we can be able to connect the Facebook with the Instagram account. So it is mandatory that when you are going to use the Instagram for business, you are supposed to create a business account on the Instagram also. Yeah. So once you are going to create the Instagram business account, I am trying to connect it with the Instagram device. So hope you people are able to see my screen. I'm trying to connect it. Give me a minute. The process is online. Yeah. So meanwhile, let it go at the behind the screen. Let it run it with the program. So here you have an option as a settings as a linked accounts. You can click on this. So here you have an option as connect an account with the Instagram. So if you click on connect account, it will ask you to get connected first with your Instagram page account or business account. So confirm. So it is asking you to get login, but we are not going to get connected through the desktop version of the Instagram. So we are going to get connected on the mobile version. Okay, hope the screen is visible to everyone. So let me access it. Sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, so I'm sharing my screen to you all. Yes, now it is going to be visible. You can see that I've been connected with my mobile on the desktop. So what are the activities we are going to do it on the uh, Instagram account? So when you are going for Instagram, so you can be able to see with your login IDs. So here, if you are able to see it as professional dashboard, it means it is going to be an business account. So how you can be able to get connected is, so you can go for your personal account and you can go for edit profile option. So here you can be able to see at the bottom of the screen, here it is there as an personal information settings, but once you are going with your personal account ID, there it will be going to give you as an option as switch to professional mode. So if you want to connect that particular profile itself to your business account, do you want to convert it into a business account? You can be able to do that. Otherwise, you can be able to create it a new account for yourself. So where you can be able to see here in this list of options at the last you have an option as add account. So you can go to the add account and you can be able to create with a new account. You can give with the username. Yes. So in case if it is not accepting, try to follow with the instructions given below to the name. It says usernames can only use letters, numbers or underscores. Okay, so in this case I'll just give it a continuation without having any space. Okay, so this is a suggestion it is given. I'll Yes. So I'm going to give it with this name. You can see this. Click on next. So you can give the password. So you are going to create with your new account. So I'll skip with the suggestions given by the Facebook. Yes, the account now it has been created. Okay, so now let me go to the profile. So here you have an option as edit profile. And can you see over here as switch to professional account? Can anyone confirm me that you are able to see this option? Switch to professional account. Are you able to see this option? Here it is being specified. Okay. So you can click on switch to professional account and click on continue. Then choose with the category. Then are you creating this as a business account or you are going to create it as an fan page account? So you can select it any one of it. I'll just take it as a business. So confirm with all your contact details. So I'll connect it into the Facebook later. So now I'll close this. So now if I go to the edit profile, we can be able to see that it is going to be turned as a business account. So here let me give the business name. Then give the description of the business. Then you have to connect it the page which is available on your Facebook account. Yes. So in this list, you can be able to select the business page which you want to connect it with this profile. Yes, now the page has been connected of your Facebook into the Instagram account. So now you can be able to start to, so let me update it. Yes. So now it has been created. Now you can be able to start to do the postings, the reels, stories. You can be able to start to do that. Then if you want to go for professional dashboard, and you can be able to start to check it out how your page is performing. At the same time, let us confirm whether we have been able to connect it with the Facebook account. Yes, we can be able to see this. Now, both Instagram and the Facebook, at both the end, it has been connected. So now whatever you do the changes, so it is going to get applied on both the things. That means whatever the ads or post you are going to create it on any one, it is going to get connected to the Instagram account, and it is going to be viewed on the both the accounts same time. Yeah. So we can be able to see here, there is an ad tool. We can be able to create the ad by selecting the post. So it will take some time to get create with the content. Okay. So it is a similar type how you are going to create the ad on your Facebook account. It's the same way you can be able to do this. Okay. The very important part is try to create the content on regular basis, and keep on posting it, like with some post, share it, and also you are going to add with the stories on regular basis. Then you should be able to add with the hashtags, at least 3 to 5 hashtags relevant to your subject of your content, and also it should be relevant to the category what business you are going to do with, and try to get connected with the influencers who can be able to help you out to bring in the audience towards your page. Okay, so this is how you are going to do with the Instagram marketing. So sorry for the delay, which we were been technically we were taken some time. So by this we are going to end up for today's session. We will meet up in the next session with a new topic. Thank you all. Have a wonderful time.